And married. Ma. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po, sir. Hi, sir. Ask ko lang po yung name para to sa baby.
Sige ba? Ibagat ano iners ko lahan niyo.
Iba na tingin sa akin mga nandito. Iba na rin ang tingin sa akin ng mga ninongs and ninangs. Don't you worry. This is going to be a real quick program. Mabilis lang po ito bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating early dinner. Finally, I can now welcome everybody here at Avellino Resort and Hotel and welcome to the wedding of Marie and Ren. How's everybody doing? Kamusta po kayo lahat? Dito tumingin ka there. Raise your hand if you know this. Okay, this raising his hand. Her hand, let's go! Hi! Magandang hapon, Binibini. You look so good this afternoon. Oh, hold on. Before giving the title of the song, ayusin mo, mukhang gutom na to let's go. Eto na. In 5, in 4, in 5, 6, 7, go. 8, you know, that's right. Wala ba kayo mga kamay, everybody? That's right. Now lower, and lower, and lower, and put your hands up. Put your hands up. Okay, hold on. Wait lang. Parinig nga ng suporta. Nasaan mga kaibigan na kamag-anak? You got a lot of supporter. You gotta do it right. DJ, play it. Okay, in 5, 6, 7, go. 8, ayun ay. Hala pa naman yung dalawang to. Sige, ikili mo. Now lower, and lower, and lower, and put your hands up. Put your hands up. Good job, sis. Right here. Now moving forward to our mommies on the side. Hindi kayo dalawa dito. Yan. Uy, akalain mo yun. Kaya pa. Nasaan ang mga kaibigan kamag-anak? You got a lot of fun. Let's do this. In 5, in 4, in 5, 6, 7, go. 8. Ayan, sinasabi ko. Come on, mommy. That's right. Keep going. You're doing it right. Lower. Lower, and put your hands up. Good job. Now on the side, please. Moving forward to this cute little man and lady right here. Little kids. Yeah. Everybody, iba kayo na may halong sigawan. Come on, Red. Let's go, Marie. Yeah. Look at this lovely couple, Mr. and Mrs. Bagaduan is in the house. Everybody looking out! Yeah! Come on, Ren! Let's go, Marie! Show me what you got! Now, team, come and team right all together! Hey! Go, Marie! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, baby! Let's go! Hey! Look at this lovely couple, ladies and gentlemen! Mr. and Mrs. Bagaduan! Wow, what an entrance! Now, halina kayo dito, Marie and Ren, Team Groom, dito kayo sa side. Team Bride on the other side, okay? Ren and Marie, akyat tayo. Team Groom, dito kayo sa side. Team Bride, dito kayo sa kabilang side. Dito lang tayo, Team Bride. Ayan, dito lang tayo. Team Groom, dyan lang kayo. Yan. Sige, Team Groom, stay right here. Everybody remain standing. Manatili po tayo nakatayong lahat. Everybody stand up. Eto na. Now, listen everybody. Listen very carefully. Alam nyo sa hapong ito, etong dalawang to, wala silang ibang gusto, kundi ang mapaligaya tayong lahat. Host Erwin, ang gusto lang namin, mag-enjoy po kaming lahat. We all just wanna have fun. Mag-enjoy kasama ang mga kaibigan at mga mahal namin sa buhay. Kaya tayo sasayaw. We have coordinators in front of you. Gagayahin nyo lang po kami. Lahat sasayaw. Ang nakita namin hindi sumasayaw, hihilahin natin dito sa unahan. Uulitin ko. Ang hindi sasayaw, hihilahin natin sa unahan. Everybody should dance. We have coordinators in front of you. You just have sabay eto na! Kasal na kayong dalawa. Unahin natin si Ren na mukhang kinakabahan sa mga oras na to. Bro, ikaw, ano yung, as in yung literal na nararamdaman mo sa mga oras na to? Nakaupo ka katabi ang asawa mo. Asawa mo! Sa harap ng mga mahal niya sa buhay. Ren, how do you feel right now? Can you share with us?
Masaya.
Masaya! Palakpakan naman natin si Ren. Wala na siyang ibang gustong sabihin. Masaya. Here's the microphone. But hold on. Before you answer the question, I cannot help myself but to tell you this. Marie, I would like you to know, you look so beautiful today! Ang ganda-ganda ng bride natin, no? Ikaw, Marie, ano nga pakiramdam mo ngayon? Finally, eto na! Kasal ka na to this very cute and handsome groom beside you. Let me hear.
Sobrang masaya po.
No other words. Palakpakan naman natin si Marie. Masaya. Alam nyo, I can see and I can feel how happy you guys are today. But guess what? These people, lahat na nandito sa inyong harapan, they are more than happy for the both of you. Congratulations. Huwag na natin itong patagalin. Ituloy-tuloy natin ang ating celebration ngayong hapong ito. And of course, wedding celebration will never be complete without having this what we call wedding traditions. And with that, Ren, come here. Halika na dito, Ren. Baba ka na dyan at sunduin mo na ang mommies. You are so lucky for having two mom in your life. Kaya naman, sunduin mo na si Mommy Evelyn muna. Ayan. Please get Mommy Evelyn and bring her here. Right here in the middle. Nasaan ang Mommy Evelyn? Ayun. Alright. This time, ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the dance of our groom, Ren, together with one of her mommies. Amazing mom. Palakpakan naman natin, Mommy Evelyn! Ang saya naman na, ang dami nating mommies. Hi, Mommy! Right here in the middle, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Ren and Mommy Martina! Our bride Marie, together with the strongest and the first man on Marie's life, no other than her daddy, Daddy Ronilo. How about a big round of applause for these two? Come on. Ayun, may habol. May humabol. Mukhang nag-withdraw pa to si Mama. Salamat po. Now, Marie and Ren, ilagay niyo lang sa envelope. Sino bang ingat yaman natin ngayon, Marie? Iabot lang kay Marie. Sige, abot lang kay Ren at Marie ang buong paper bag. Thank you so much. Thank you. Marie and Ren will be moving forward sa ating cake slicing ceremony.